Welcome to the instruction video for ROMEX D1 paving joint mortar. Below we show you step by step how to apply the product correctly and achieve the best possible result. ROMEX D1 is a high-quality two-component paving joint mortar for numerous areas of application in both private and commercial areas, from a joint width of 0.1 inches. Thanks to its good flowability and high strength, ROMEX D1 is particularly suitable for grouting irregular-shaped and wild-form slabs, driveways and access roads with loads of up to 8.3 US tons and for renovating old paved surfaces. The grout provides lasting protection against weed growth and is available in various colors. Grouting with ROMEX D1 temporarily intensifies the natural coloring of the stone. You will need a garden hose with a shower or sprayer, a rubber squeegee, a coarse street broom and a soft coconut broom. We recommend the use of impermeable and durable protective gloves when applying the product. To prepare, you should first mask off adjacent surfaces with adhesive tape. The surface to be grouted must then be pre-wetted intensively. Higher substrate temperatures require more intensive pre-wetting. If you are using buckets, open the ROMEX D1 bucket. Add the contents of the enclosed bottles to the filler component. To fully utilize the contents of the bottles, fill each bottle with 250 milliliters or 8.45 fluid ounces of water, close and shake vigorously. Then empty the water into the bucket. ROMEX D1 is now mixed for at least 6 minutes using a professional stirrer. If you are using bagged goods, add the filler component completely into a rotary or concrete mixer and start the mixing process. During the mixing process, add the entire contents of the enclosed bottles. Then fill up both bottles again, but with 500 milliliters or 16.9 fluid ounces of water each. Shake them vigorously and add them to the mixture. After 3 minutes of mixing, add another 0.8 gallons of water and mix again for at least 3 minutes. To make optimum use of the flowability of the ready-mixed paving joint mortar, ROMEX D1 is poured onto the pre-wetted surface in 3 to 4 places. Then carefully work the paving joint mortar into the joints using a rubber squeegee. If ROMEX D1 is not fully applied immediately, the remaining quantity should be mixed again briefly before continuing to work, so that optimum flowability is achieved again. Practical tip: tools and work shoes should be cleaned regularly with a jet of water during grouting to avoid soiling from binding agents and footprints on adjacent surfaces. Approximately 10 to 15 minutes after working in, the stone surface is first carefully swept with a coarse street broom. The correct sweeping time is reached when no more white streaks form on the stone surface during sweeping. Then carefully sweep the stone surface again with a fine coconut broom until all mortar residue has been removed. Sweep diagonally to the joint. Chamfers on slab and clinker coverings must be exposed. The freshly grouted surface must be protected from rain for 12 to 24 hours. Construction foil or tarpaulins used for this purpose must not be placed directly on the surface to allow air to circulate. During the initial period, a wafer-thin synthetic resin film remains on the surface, which intensifies the color of the stone and protects it from soiling. However, this film disappears over time. ROMEX D1 is approved for private and commercial surfaces with medium vehicle loads. The self-compacting mortar is resistant to frost and de-icing salt and is highly permeable to water. ROMEX D1 is also resistant to cleaning with high-pressure cleaners. ROMEX D1 is a real all-rounder that is suitable for almost all areas of application around the house and in commercial areas. This has always made it one of the most popular paving joint mortars.